Yeah. Elle veut danser, elle veut bouger, yeah. Never seen it quite like this. She be the hottest in town, coming out the twice.
Hello everybody, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So this is the 30th day of my 100 days of YouTube videos. I'm really excited. So today I'm just going to show you how I texturized my hair by myself at home. So I'm using the Mamiya organic Kiddies kit. What I'm going to do first is that I'm going to add the Kids liquid activator. I'm going to add it in the Kids texturizer cream and then just mix it very well, like mix it very well. Also comes with gloves. So once I'm done with that, I'm going to just section my hair into 4 sections and then apply the mixture all over my hair, as you can see. So I'm wearing the gloves and just applying the texturizer all over my hair. So you're just going to do this till the texturizer has covered every strand, and I mean every hair strand. So normally some people leave the texturizer on their hair for like 10 minutes, but I just left mine for 5 minutes because I didn't want it to like stretch out or to be so straight. So I just left it on for 5 minutes and that's it. Going to use the Kids neutralizing shampoo with color indicator on my hair. That is after washing out the texturizer. Use this shampoo to wash your hair till there is no more pink color. As you can see, as I'm washing my hair, you can see the foam coming out from the shampoo is pink. You have to wash as many times as possible till the foam is white. That is the instruction. You have to keep on washing till the foam is white. Okay, I use the shampoo about 4 times, wash and rinse till the foam was finally white. And also, I am not really a hairstylist, I just style my own hair. So I just read the instructions because the kit came with instructions. So I just read it and that was how I was able to like texturize my hair at home. So once I'm done washing and rinsing, I'm just going to apply the Kids conditioning treatment on my hair. I'll apply it, leave it on my hair for 3 to 5 minutes and then wash off. So once I'm done with that is after rinsing off the conditioning treatment. I'm going to use a dry clean cloth to just dry my hair, make sure it's damp, not completely dried. And then I'm going to add the Kids detangling hair milk, which nourishes and detangles your hair. It also has avocado, shea butter and tea tree oil in it as well. So yeah, and that is it. So I am done and I really like it. And like after texturizing, I really loved like the way it came out. It came out exactly the way I wanted it. There was no breakage, there was no damage. And it just made like taking care of my hair really easy. So yeah, thank you so much for watching, and please don't forget to like, subscribe and share with your friends. You also leave a comment letting me know what you think. Thank you so much for watching and I'll see you in my next video. Mwah. Bye.
Let them know who got the crown, girl, who does it like you do. Always keep it hundo when you move. You don't really want it.